Hi, my name is Kyle with Whissel Realty. Welcome to 10314 Escadera Drive right here on the cusp of Santee and Lakeside. Come inside, let's take a look. One of my favorite things in this house is this custom interior stone accent wall, which pairs beautifully with the brand new laminate flooring and flows perfectly to my second favorite part of this house. My next favorite part of this house is this kitchen. It's extremely spacious and has tons of windows, which brings in a lot of natural light. My last favorite part of this house is the backyard. It is an entertainer's delight with a brand new lawn, an amazing pool, and a side patio that's perfect for your upcoming summer barbecues. Again, my name is Kyle with Whissel Realty. If you have any questions at all about this home, feel free to reach out to me below. You do not want to miss this opportunity.